Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the video, we are going to install the theme. We can go to the website. You see, this is the simple theme. And go back to dashboard. So the theme is what design your website look like. To install the theme for the website, go to Appearance and click on Themes. And click on Add New Theme. And there are a lot of theme template for you. And in the search theme, I will type Sydney and click on Install. Before you install, you can click on Preview to see what is it look like, and after that you can click on Install and click on Activate. And the Sydney theme is installed in the website. You can see Welcome to Sydney. This is the free version. And scroll down, you can see in here starter site. You can click on it. What you see, what you can import to your website. So I will import the starter site, the Sydney starter site to the theme. Click on import, and I will import to all and click on make and continue without customizing. And in here you can subscribe and start importing, but I skip subscribe. I just start importing. And so now we successfully import, and congratulations. So click in here to view the site.